The elevator door opens. It's the chance of a lifetime, but the chance only lasts as long as the elevator ride. You have less than a minute to fulfill your objective. The elevator pitch is often used in the world of business. The idea is that you're at an event where you meet an acquaintance. You want them to invest or be involved in an idea you have. On the way out of the event, you find yourself in the lift with them. Your acquaintance asks, "So what's new with you?" Would you be able to successfully pitch your idea before you both reach the ground floor? Not sure? You will be by the end of this video. Hello, I'm Helen, and today I'm going to explain how you can use the elevator pitch as a powerful way to study. Writing the pitch will help you remember the details of a topic, and it's something you can do with a friend. So picture the scene. You've just revised a topic and you're keen to share your new knowledge. In order to communicate your knowledge, you'll need to condense your learning into a 30 to 50-second pitch. Think of topics that you find difficult. Often these are ideal for the elevator pitch. Let's take an example using a common misconception or a feature that needs explaining in GCSE biology. Often students fail to distinguish between a cell membrane and a cell wall. Examiners across the country throw up their hands in horror. They simply will not accept this type of mistake. So our pitch is going to be about cells. Connection is vital. So first you need to connect with your audience, a friend who is also studying biology, and you need to start with a line that grabs their attention. Have you ever noticed how people get the cell membrane and the cell wall mixed up? Or, we all know the key vocabulary for the topic of cells, but to really succeed in the exam, we need to go beyond this. Or, you know how most cells have a cell membrane. You've probably wondered how this differs from a cell wall. From there, you can outline how to solve the problem, answer the question, or correct the misconception. Well provides a useful start point. Now take a moment to think about how to explain the idea, misconception. You should restrict yourself to no more than 6 sentences. You can use a mental image to illustrate your point. So here's my elevator pitch. Remember, it needs to be between 30 and 50 seconds. We know the key vocabulary for the topic of cells, but to really succeed in the exam, we need to go beyond this. Well, let me start by telling you the difference between a cell membrane and a cell wall. All cells have a cell membrane. This membrane separates the contents inside the cell from anything outside the cell. Think about any cell diagram. The cell membrane will be the inner line. If the cell diagram has an outer line, this is the cell wall, and it must therefore be a plant, bacterial, or fungal cell. To summarise, the cell membrane is the inner line, the cell wall is the outer line. My pitch was 30 seconds. Did you spot the opening grab line? Did you spot the well used as a starting point? Did you spot the mental image? The perfect elevator speech is adaptable and transferable to almost any topic. It is also the most amazing memory aid. Following this video, you'll find a number of topics that you could use to write your first elevator pitch, and also a copy of my cell membrane, cell wall example. Thank you for watching, and get pitching.